What's up everyone, Waffle King here, and today we're going to be making some chocolate cake. First you want to start off by mixing together your dry ingredients. Let's start off with 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, along with 1 teaspoon of salt. What you want to do with these 3 ingredients is sift them together right into a bowl. The sifting will prevent lumps in the cake. Now that we're done mixing our dry ingredients together, we can make our wet ingredients. And now we're going to be making some caramel. Here I have 3 tablespoons of sugar in a pan. Now what you want to do with the sugar is you want to add a few tablespoons of water to go along with the sugar. And now what we're going to do, while the caramel is heating, you want to put in 1 stick and 2 tablespoons of butter, along with 1 cup of sugar. And you want to cream this together until it becomes nice and creamy. Once your caramel is ready, add it right to your butter and sugar mixture. Now you want to add 3 eggs, and you want to add 1 egg at a time. Now you want to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and also a secret ingredient, 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. Now you want to add in your dry ingredients slowly in batches. If your mixture is too thick, you can always add in a tiny bit of milk or water. Once you're done with your batter, so put it into 2 9-inch circle pans and then bake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. While your cakes are baking, you want to make the buttercream. And for that, you're going to need 2 sticks of sugar. For the buttercream, you're going to need 2 sticks of butter and 3 1/3 cups of sugar. And also add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. When your buttercream is done, it should look a little bit like this. And once you've completed your buttercream, you want to put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. After you're done making your cakes and your buttercream, to put it together, you're going to put some buttercream in the middle of layers, and then some buttercream on top, and then some buttercream on the side. And then you'll have your cake. You can put some powdered sugar on the top for a nice snow-like look. Okay guys, this video was actually made about 3 to 4 months ago, but I'm uploading it now. Sorry for the long delay. I finally got my editor program working and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.